So recap. Hello everyone, this is review number iPhone 13. The back glass crack damage. As you can see, the body also damaged, but we managed to replace the back glass. And this is iPhone 13. So let me show you. This is what it looks like for replacing it. And this is after we put on the back glass. So everything normal, so everything is good. Let you know if you have iPhone that need to replace the back glass, feel free to contact us at the Smiley service for any branch. Okay? I'm gonna stop now and see you on the next video.